Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 best fruits for men. Yes, 5 best fruits for men. There are a lot of fruits out there. Best fruits are everywhere, and all the fruits are beneficial because they help to boost up our immune system. They help for body building. Fruits are very good as far as human being is concerned. Fruits are very necessary. But for men, there are best fruit for men. Why do I say best fruit for men? Because most of all these fruits we consume has high level of sugar or high content of sugar. Because the more you consume fruit with high content of sugar, the more sugar is accumulating in our body system. And you know the consequences. Too much of sugar can cause diabetes. So there are 5 best fruits for men, especially men. So in this video, I am going to share with you the 5 best fruits for men only. What are these 5 best fruits? These 5 best fruits are very important and they are preferable to other fruits as far as men are concerned. So number 1 is cucumber. I know all of us knows cucumber. Yes, all of us know cucumber, but cucumber is mainly for men. If you know the good benefit of cucumber, you will know that cucumber is one of the best fruit every man needs to consume at least 2 or 3 times every week. Do you know that cucumber help to reduce sugar level in the body? Do you know that cucumber help to reduce some sicknesses, toxic waste in the body? Cucumber is one of the best fruits, but some people do neglect it. The taste that it has help to suppress sugar level. So that is why I am recommending cucumber for men. Take cucumber today, at least 3 times every week for complete 2 or 3 months. You will see how your body will be, and it will help to boost up your immune system. And that is for cucumber. Then number 2 is bitter kola. Bitter kola, very powerful and medicinal. I know most of us knows what is bitter kola. Bitter kola is one of the best fruits ever. It also helps to reduce sugar level in the body. It is also found in everywhere, both here in Nigeria, Asians and European countries. You can find bitter kola because some people here in Nigeria export it to other countries. So I believe that you can get bitter kola everywhere. Bitter kola is very important. It helps to reduce the level of sugar in the body. Bitter kola is one of the best kola that every man needs to take, because assuming that you have enough sugar in your body, if you take bitter kola at least 2 every week or at least once every week, it will help to reduce the level of sugar in your body. Bitter kola is very powerful. The more you take bitter kola, the more chances for you not to contract any diseases, and the more chances for your system to be in appropriate portion. So take bitter kola at least 2 or 3 times every week. It will help to build up your immune system. Even it will reset your body system in the sense that your body will be at its normal state. That is for bitter kola. Number 3 is groundnut. I know everybody knows groundnut. Yes, both here in Nigeria and in other parts of the country, everybody knows groundnut. If you don't know groundnut, maybe you are just a newbie in the world. But I know that everybody knows groundnut. Granite is one of the best fruit also because it has low sugar. Yes, it has low sugar. But do you know why I recommend granite? Because granite has cholesterol, and that cholesterol helps to build up the body system. It helps to nourish the body, the skin, everywhere, all parts of the body. The more you take granite, the more your skin are shining. Yes, it will help to build up your skin. It will help to build up your immune system. Granite is very powerful and essential. I would recommend every man who wants to be fit in all life challenges, all daily activities, to take granite. Though most people are neglecting granite, but I believe that granite is very powerful. Yes, it's powerful. If you eat granite or if you take granite today, from 91 week, you will see the effects in your body. Yes, you will see the effects. Granite is very powerful. So I recommend all men. I recommend it for all men to take it. It will help to boost up your immune system as fast as possible. So that one is for granite. Then number 4 is African pear. Yes, African pear is medicinal, just like cucumber, as I said. African pear, please don't mind the noise. So let's continue. African pear is highly medicinal. Yes, African pear is highly medicinal. The more you take African pear, the more it reduces some sicknesses, or the more it suppresses some sicknesses, some toxic blood in your body. African pear will help to wash them away. The more you take African pear, the more the level of sugar in your body reduces. The more you take African pear, the more your immune system is boosting up. As a man, I would recommend you to take African pear on daily basis if you can find it. I know African pear, some people in the Europe or Asians don't know African pear, but you can go to the internet, type African pear, you will see the picture. Find it. You can even take it raw. It's good, and it is also medicinal. You can even put it in hot water for it to get soft. Then you can take it. Any way you used to take it, it is very powerful and it is effective. So African pear is good. It helps to reduce the level of sugar in the body. It also helps to build up our immune system. It also cures some diseases in our body. So I do recommend African pear for all men to take it, so that it will help to build up your immune system. Yes, that is for African pear. Now, the last 5 best fruits for men to take is avocado pear. Yes, everybody or everyone knows avocado pear. Avocado pear is very medicinal as well, just like the African pear and the cucumber. Avocado pear is one of the best fruits that help to reduce blood pressure or high blood pressure. Yes, avocado pear is very medicinal. It also helps to reduce the level of sugar in the body. Make sure that you take avocado pear on daily basis. Not only men, but women can take it as well. But I will advise the women to buy all this fruit for their man, for their man or their man to be healthy enough in order to carry out any activities that is required of him. So avocado pear also helps to reduce the level of sugar in the body for men and women. Avocado pear also help to reduce some diseases or to fight some diseases in our body. Avocado pear also reduces high blood pressure, just like I said. So I will recommend avocado pear for everyone to take. It is highly medicinal. So my friends, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. Please as well like and share this video to your family and friends. Please, I will appreciate it if you watch this video to the very end and you like my video and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, please write it on the comment section below. I am good to reply all messages or any text. I will reply it. If you have any question, you can ask me as well. I will reply. If you want me to solve any of your problem just with the help of my video, I can do it for you. I want the best for each and every one of us. I want the best for our world. I want the best for everybody around the world. So if you know any way that I can be of help through this video, just tell me. I will make a video for what you want. So please, thank you for watching.